Hi everyone. So TS Rahman has started admission for GP ratings also. So let's see how to register in their website. So first type TS Rahman. It will take you to their website for registration. So this first link is of their website TS Rahman. Now click on that. So this is their website, and now this is the home page of their website. Okay, so now you have to click on this pre-C course booking / admission. So click on that. It will show you the pre-C online course booking. So these are the 4 courses right now is valid. You can apply in these 4 courses, but we are here for only GP rating course, which is on the 4th number, pre-C training course for general purpose rating. Its duration is 6 months, and the registration open date is today's means 31st August 2021, and registration close date is 23/9 September 2021. Okay, and the batch will start in January. Okay, so let's click on apply. Now they have shown terms and conditions. So now let's quickly read out their terms and conditions. First one is you have to pay online fees of 700 rupees. Okay, so they are asking for 700 rupees. You can pay that fees through debit card, credit card, and net banking. So 3 ways are there to pay online fees. Now second step is to upload your passport size photograph. Okay, then this is the educational qualification. They have mentioned that you must have 40% marks in 10th standard with science mathematics as subjects, and the candidate must have secured 40% marks in English in 10th standard. So your minimum eligibility is 10th standard, and you should have acquired 40% marks in English. Okay, then this is the second option they have gave. Pass in 2-year ITI course from government approved institute with minimum 50% aggregate marks in final year. So this is for ITI course. Then again they have showed that you must have before going for ITI course you must have done 10th. Okay, because that's the eligibility. Now your 10th must be from a recognized board, means CBSE, ICSE, UP board. Okay, then this is the age limit they have mentioned. Age should not be more than 25, and minimum is 17 and a half. Okay, so this is for general category. This age limit is for general category. Now look for special category, means scheduled caste. So they have given 5 years age relaxation for SC/ST candidates, which means the maximum age will be 30 years for SC/ST candidates, and this non-creamy layer of other backward classes. And for OBCs they have given 3 years age relaxation extra till 28 years. Then for candidates who are those who are holding degree or diploma certificate, they have 2 years age relaxation, which means till 27 age. So maximum age relaxation is for SC/ST, then for other backward classes, and then at the last holding a diploma or degree candidate. Then what you should have, an Indian original passport is compulsory required at the time of submitting the document and payment. So after qualifying your entrance exam, when you will appear to their college, you need to have original passport with you, including, okay, with your other documents. So and what will, yeah, date of entrance examination will be communicating to you by email. So for entrance examination date will be mailed to you. So make sure to give a correct email. Then course fees once paid will not be refunded or transferred to any other course, and no communication will be entertained in this regard. Okay, so the fees, like if you have paid some advance and now you don't want to do that course, that fees will not be refundable. So these are the terms and conditions. Now let's accept their conditions if you want to proceed further. So this is the form. Okay, this is the first stage. Four steps are there: pre-C application, basic, detail, address, and academic details. So first you need to do is candidate photo you need to upload. So this is my photo, I have uploaded. Then salutation means your gender, male. Then last name, it's not mandatory, so I won't mention it, but you should. Then email ID, okay, where you will get your mail, so make sure it should be correct. Yeah, this is my mail ID. Now this religion you don't have to select. If you want you can select, okay. Then last school, it's also not mandatory, we'll go for only mandatory fields. Then this is the GP rating course, this is automatically selected here, okay. Then your first name as per passport, so my name is Akash. Now you need to fill date of birth, so make sure you know that the age limit should be for general category is between 7.5 and 25 years, so select by that only, okay. So I'll go for 1995 Jan, okay, that's a random date. Now enter the mobile number, this is also a random number. Then caste category, okay, for age relaxation, that's why they are asking, that's why it's mandatory, so I'll go for open. Those who are general category, they have to click on open, otherwise those who fall into SC/ST category or OBC or NT, non creamy layer, so they can select that. I'll go for open. Then endorsed number you can't have right now, because endorsed number we get after completing our STCW courses. So this is your batch number, okay. This is your academic year 2021 to 2022. Now middle name is not mandatory, place of birth is not mandatory, highest qualification, so I hold a degree, so I'll go for that, okay. So you need to select your highest qualification. Now subcaste, if you want to mention you can mention, otherwise do not mention, because again it's not mandatory. Now let's go to the second page, okay. So these are the basic details, okay. The father full name you need to provide here, it's mandatory, so I'll write some random name, okay. This is the random name. Now mother's name, it is also a random name I'm typing. Then you don't need to mention annual income of parents, passport number, because they don't have. Actually this is the information about your keen, okay, that's why they are asking. Now your shoe size, mention your shoe size here, because when you will go for practical in college, they will provide you the safety shoes and the coverall, okay. So no need to mention shirt size. If you want 18 centimeters, these are not mandatory fields. Pant size, okay. Let's see what they have given, yeah. So if you want to mention you can mention, otherwise I am not mentioning it. Preferred meals, veg or non-veg, I am a non-veggie. So if you have any identification mark, like I have cut on my left eyebrow, so you can mention like that. Now next, now here permanent address, they are asking for permanent address, so fill up your permanent address here. Then select your city here, your nationality, country you are residing, which is India. Then select state, my state is Uttarakhand. I am going for only mandatory fields, but it depends on you, you need to fill up all the, if you want to fill all the details or not, okay. Now pin, then contact number, father's email ID not required. District, mention your district here, okay. Let's mention that. Then companies and colleges all ask for present and permanent address, so when you'll fill up this, okay, and click on this same as above. So it will automatically fill up this present address by fetching the data from permanent address. So now guardian address is same as above, same. Okay, so I have filled up only mandatory fields, but you can fill up all the fields, okay, if you want. Now next. Okay, so these are the academic details they are asking. So this is senior secondary school, college. You have to mention the name of your college here, sorry, school, 10th class, then the board, mine was CBSE, then year of passing. Okay, let's go for 2011. Marks obtained like 80. Make sure your marks should be above than 40% in in 10th class. Okay, then out of, mention here, then number of attempts, how many attempts you took to pass your 10th class. Okay, then the percentage at the end. Yeah, here you have to mention the overall marks, like 5 subjects used to be there in 10th class. So out of 5, if you got 450, then out of means 500, out of 500 you got, each subject contains 100 marks, so that's why number of attempt is 1. And English percentage, like say 50 or 60. Okay, then okay, so they have asked different separate. Okay, 70, then 72, 70. Okay, science. Okay, yeah, physics chemistry is not there, it all comes into science. So now this is 12th class. Okay, the name of your, then basic details, means board, again CBSE board, then year of passing, let's go for this. Marks obtained like 450 again out of 500. Number of attempts 1, percentage will be 90. Okay, so after filling up all these details, diploma, if you hold any diploma then mention that, otherwise graduation then mention that too. So after filling up all these details, just click on register and pay. So my details have saved successfully. Now they are showing online course booking summary, application number this, my name is Akash, this is my phone number, email ID, this is the booking date and time they are showing, this is the course name, registration fee, total amount is including all GST VST is 700. Now I want you to make payment right now. If you'll wait for tomorrow or day after tomorrow, then it will be late for you. So make sure while you are registering you pay at the same time. So we'll click on make payment. Now the payment portal will open. Yeah, this is the payment portal. Pay TS Rahman 700 rupees. So as they mentioned in the beginning, net banking, credit and debit. So for credit and debit here, and if you have Paytm, then net banking, so you can choose any of the option for payment. Google Pay they also have, like go for a debit card. So mention your debit card number here, expiry date, the CVV, those 3 numbers which was on the back side of your debit card, and the name on card. Then proceed, then do the payment. So that's it, that's the full procedure for payment. Okay, that's how you can register in TS Rahman website, and you have to do the payment at the end of 700 rupees for registration.